Hey guys, welcome back to another week at Exclusive Wraps. I'll take you for a quick walk through the shop and show you what we've been working on this week. First up is this Mansory G63 for Vogue Industries. This one came through on a really tight deadline to get as much of the car PPF'd as possible before it gets sent off to P&G. So the guys have been working very late, getting the finishing touches now, and it should be leaving sometime later on today. Next up, we have this Tesla Model X. This one's come through for a chrome delete and a full custom camo print wrap. And the two front windows tinted as well. Keep your eyes on our page for this one because we'll do a little bit more in depth on it later on. What you're gonna see is all of the panels, bonnet, bumpers, guards are all gonna line up nicely once the print's finished. You'll see a lot of other camo wraps out there. They don't match when they go over the panels. It just kind of looks like it's been slapped on there and chopped up. Doesn't look very good. This is gonna look really nice when it's finished. Next, we have the Porsche Panamera you would have seen last week. It was fairly close to completion, but now it's completely done, all red. It's been ceramic coated, and I think the front windows were tinted as well. It's ready for its owner to pick it up in about half an hour or so. Let's go next door, we'll show you what else we've got. So right here, we have another unwrap job in progress. This one has been on the car for about 4 years. It actually looks amazing for a 4-year-old wrap. It's just that this color is no longer available and it's time to take it all off because we can't replace any of the panels that are looking a little old. But as you can see, it looks absolutely mint. Everything has stayed where it should. The owners looked after it really well, which is a really good thing to see. Take you inside and show you what else we've got. So here we have this Yamaha MT09. This one's come in to have the standard graphics duplicated in a different color and applied over the top. And after that, we're going to put PPF over the whole tank to protect it from scratches when the owner is riding it. We've got an A-Class over here. This one's come in for AMG style stripes on the sides, over the top, also to have that little insert there wrapped in gloss black. I think we're also doing pinstripes on the mirrors in red, and we're debadging a few of the badges that are on the car. And finally, we have this Amarok for system rigging that's coming for a partial wrap. So we're doing it in satin black, bit of gloss orange, and we've also tinted the taillights using our Expel light smoke tint film. That about wraps it up for this week. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and share, and tune in next week for some more exclusive wraps.